Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS6 versus Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing. We'll dive into their incredible performance, starting with the Audi RS6, which delivers 621 horsepower through its advanced all-wheel drive system. The Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing counters with an impressive 668 horsepower, sending power to the rear wheels. Both machines are engineered for speed, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, promising an exhilarating experience. Moving to design, the Audi RS6 stands out as a high-performance wagon, offering a unique blend of speed and practicality with generous cargo capacity. In contrast, the Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing presents itself as a sleek, aggressive sports sedan, prioritizing aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the Audi showcases advanced technology and luxurious materials, while the Cadillac focuses on a driver-centric cockpit with intuitive performance controls, ensuring an engaging experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi RS6 provides incredibly confident handling, especially with its renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, making it feel planted in various conditions. The Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing, on the other hand, offers razor-sharp steering and the unique option of a manual transmission for ultimate driver engagement. Both vehicles deliver exhilarating acceleration and robust braking, but the Cadillac's magnetic ride control further refines its ride comfort and handling prowess. Finally, let's consider value. The Audi RS6 typically starts at approximately $126,000, reflecting its luxury wagon status and advanced engineering. The Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing, offering immense performance, begins around $94,000, presenting a compelling option for enthusiasts. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you prefer the versatility of a high-performance wagon or the raw, driver-focused experience of a sports sedan. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.